What's under there? What do we got in there? Keep ripping.
Okay.
What do you think that is?
It's a ball.
It's a ball? Alright.
Welcome.
Is it a big ball?
Oh, yeah.
Alright.
Let's your card first. It's like one little piece of paper. I think it's funny.
Alright. Can you throw your ball to me? Yeah, get the paper off stuff?
Yeah.
Okay.
On my hand.
Does it stick to your hand? Aw.
Are you gonna share that with Mason?
Yeah. I can do it.
Yeah, let me help. Throw your ball to me.
I can't.
Throw me the ball.
Mommy.
No.
Yeah.
Oh, on my finger, yeah.
You throw your ball?
Take your paper off.
Goofball.
Parker, throw it to Daddy. Daddy will do it. Why don't you open your other present?
Okay.
Alright. Tristan, what do you want?
Well, here, look, there's 2 presents on top and a card.
Open the little ones.
Open the little ones first.
Like this?
Yep, open that.
Mommy.
Oh, a card, huh? You like cards, don't you? What's that?
It's a candy cane. Okay,
We'll eat it later.
Later, give me your card. We'll open your card. No, right here. You gave it to Mason, Parker. You gave it to right here. Right here, give me the card. I'll open it for you.
Okay.
Here, you can read it. Here you go. Here, boy.
No, I get it.
Here's your card, Parker. Parker.
It says, happy birthday!
What's that?
So you're going to have a birthday. Well, birthdays sure are fun. And here's hoping yours turns out to be a special happy one. Happy 2nd birthday. We love you. Cool.
Uh-oh, Mason's gonna open your present.
Oh, no. That's all right. I'll get it. Well, what's that on the card?
Snake.
Snakes? Kind of. It's a dinosaur.
Here, I'll start it. Here you go. I don't want to be in the way. Here you go. Go over there. Go back over there and open your presents. What are those? They're colored pencils.
No, we'll
Not
get
right
them out
now.
later. Open this one. Rip that off. Good job. Now open this one.
Mommy.
Here you go. Here. What are those?
What's that?
Tell Daddy what they are. Hold them up and show Daddy.
All right. All right, put them up by your pencils. And then open your last present. And there you go. Set them right there. Now open your last
Wait,
present.
show Daddy your pencils. Turn around and show Daddy your pencils. Tell them what they are.
They're colored pencils. Alright, let's set them down and open your last present. Here we go. We'll get them out later. Open your last present, bud. Aw.
I do have
Flip it over.
more.
Oh. Pull.
I love it. Wow. Here.
Flip it over. Watch out for your brother. Parker, what is that?
Yes.
It's a desk, yeah. Flip it up.
There you go.
Turn it around and show Daddy.
Here.
Well, get on the other side of it.
Yeah. Daddy.
Very cool, Parker. Is that your desk?
Yeah.
Parker, look. Oh, it's
Alright.
I like it.
Parker, happy birthday
Happy birthday
to me.
to me.
Yeah.
do a birthday dance.
Alright, so see you later.
Later.
Wait, tell him how old you are.
2 more.
2 years. Alright. See ya.
The color.
Yep.
Alright, bye, Parker.